So we have a pretty big storm blowing in, and the wind is getting up, and I thought I'd do a quick video from the balcony just to show oh dear, how windy it is. Coming from right behind me, almost trying to take the camera out of my hands. Those poor trees have taken a battering this year. Still got some nice blue sky up there, but that is what is heading towards us. Some thunder in it. There's a lot of rain. There's the sunset angle, looking quite pretty, I think. But yeah, I can smell the rain. It's going to be a big one tonight. There may be another video later of lightning, should it be impressive. Gotta love it. Weather over here is never boring. Right, I'll leave you with Rambo doing his rounds. Hello Rambo. Hello mate. And the tea trees being battered once more, bless them. There we are, gonna go in now, it's raining.